Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today we're going to be doing just a really quick out on the town look. Of course this isn't the shirt that I'm wearing, but it's my comfy shirt and I want to be comfortable. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. I do upload daily. Thanks guys. So let's get started. I'm going to be using my Jawbreaker palette by Jeffree Star. This palette is cruelty-free, by the way. I've used it before in other videos, but today I'm going to be doing mainly just this palette. So let's get started. So I already, cleaned up my brows, so I do want to, I do want to set my eyelids. I'm in a really good mood today. I'm also getting a lot of things done. Like I started, in my other videos you see how I start my mornings. I did my to-do list and I'm really like knocking those things off. So I'm in a great mood. So those lids are set. Now, if you don't want to use setting powder, we can use this right here is the cone. You can use that to set your eyes. Let's use that cone shadow to set our eyes. Okay, everything's falling. So I want to go in with the Tasty. Right here, it's next to the cone shade. I want to go in with Tasty. Okay. What I'm going to do is just start over here and bring it over. Okay. Really get inside that crease. We're going to do the same thing on the others. You know what? I hate when I do one or both at the same time, so I'm just going to do one. See how it turns out. If I like it, we stick with it. Okay? So using another brush, we're going to go in with that lemon drop. Okay? And we're going to go up and down. Can you see that? So we were putting a little bit of Tasty on the corners, the same color we used before, on the corners, to kind of blending that out. Okay? So let's go start the other side. Alright, so back on the other side, Tasty we're using again right here. Tap it right here. Bring it around. Bring it around. Okay, guys. Back into that lemon drop. Very pretty shimmery yellow. Okay. Up and down, up and down. Back into Tasty so we can blend that out. Alright guys, so because I didn't do the rest of my makeup, I'm not going to get into the bottom, what I put at the bottom yet. I'm going to do the rest of my makeup, the rest of my face, and then I'm going to do that for you. Then I'll add the finishing touches, okay? Highlight and contour brush. Sometimes I like using an egg, sometimes I don't. Or I should say sponge. My daughter calls them eggs, so I call them eggs. Wait, actually, let's just get the contour done, with the highlight done first. Okay, how we looking, guys? I think we're looking cute. Okay guys, lashes are on, so let's finish the look. Go back to that Jawbreaker palette. And we're going to use this brush I got from Ashley Lee Cosmetics. And let's do underneath that lash line. Let's just, I'm sorry, not lash line. underneath the tear line, along the tear line, we're going to go across. Oh, so this brush is the Motor Brush BMX 498 brush. I got it from one of my BoxyCharm boxes. Okay guys, so that is almost the look. Not yet. We're gonna take this and do our bottom lash. Uh-oh. So we got a little down there. We're just gonna wait for that to dry and then we can like scrape it off. Highlighter, guys. Don't want to forget that highlighter. So guys, we're all done with this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already, like I said in the beginning, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification. Excuse me. Okay, my daughter's saying please subscribe, but please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you receive a notification every time I upload, because I do upload daily, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.
Take the picture.